morning everyone. Today we have started chapter number 12 patterns. Chapter number 12 patterns. Okay, so what we have to do here, chapter number 12 patterns, jump start. Okay, so for chapter number 12, match the keys with the correct boxes and write the missing number. Okay, match the keys with the correct boxes and write the missing number. So here this is given in your book B, page number is 88. Okay, here you have been given some pattern. First number is 12, 13, 15, 18, 27. As you can see, there is no number in between. There is no number in between 12, 13. But 13, 15, there is one number missing, that is 14. Here 15 to 18, there are two numbers missing, that is 16 and 17. Then for 8, then here the number is missing. So now as you can see here 0 number, here 1 number, 2 number, then here will be 3 number missing. This is the pattern. So we are going to miss 19, 20, 21. So the other number will be 22. 22 key is given, so we are going to put 22 here. Then 22 it is written 27. So let us count that how many numbers are missing. Here 3 numbers was missing, now the next number will have 4 number missing, so that I can check the pattern. So 23, 24, 25, 26. So yes, it is 4 number missing, so our pattern is correct. Now 11 to 14, 12 and 13 is missing. 14 to 17, 15 and 16 is missing. So two numbers are missing. 23 to 26, 24 and 25, 2 numbers are missing. So 17 after 2 numbers missing, 18 and 19, and the number will come 20. So we are going to put 20 here. Okay. Now let us come to the next one. Draw the next figure in the pattern. As you can see here 9 squares, here 8 square, here 7 square, here 6 square, here 5. So next pattern will be 4 squares. Okay, 4 squares we have to draw. Decode the message. So all the 3 3 3 3 is written in between, so we are going to cut all the 3's, and then we will read this TIME, time, 2 TOHAVE, half, MORE, more, and FUN, fun. So time to have more fun. Now tick the shapes that can be used to make tessellation patterns and cross the ones that cannot be used. Make a tessellated pattern from any shape that you have ticked. Okay, so this is what you have to do here is that you have been given question number 4. You have been given question number 4 here, that this is tessellation or not. Now firstly we have to discuss about tessellation. We have already discussed it in the class, in class 3. Now we have to again we have to discuss about tessellation in class 4. Covering a surface with a pattern of flat shape. It should be a flat shape that have no gaps between them and that do not overlap is called patterns. So beta, this is a shape in which that it will cover the surface of it will cover the surface. Okay, it should be a flat surface, and there should, when you will put that shapes after one another, so there should be no gap. Suppose this is given to you, as you can see there is this shapes given to you, this blue and green shape. When we are going it together, there is no gap in between, so this is a tessellated pattern. This is also an example of tessellated pattern, as there is no gap in between, as you can see. So and they will not overlap, एक के ऊपर एक भी नहीं आती, so this is over tessellation. So can we create tessellation with the pattern rectangle? Yes, I have already discussed in the class how we can create tessellation pattern with the help of rectangle, square and triangle. But we cannot draw the tessellation pattern with circle, because if we will draw the tessellation pattern with circle, it will have gaps in between, so we cannot draw. So there is, this one is your homework. This you have to do it by your own, that you have to, this question. Okay, make a tessellation pattern. You can draw this tessellation pattern here only. Draw this tessellation pattern here in the book, no problem. Okay, so you have to draw it by your own. Now tick the what you already know. Identify and extended a given pattern. So we are going to put a tick. Can you find out the pattern? Yes, we can. Can you decode the simple codes? Yes, you can decode the simple code. Can identify and create tessellated patterns of your shape. You can draw tessellated by using a tessellation pattern by using this shape. Yes, so we are going to put tick here. Now we have this page number on 89. The owner of aquarium shop is confused. Okay, what has happened? There is a shop, aquarium shop owner, and he is confused. He finds one fish missing from some aquarium in his shop. So some of the aquarium, one fish is missing. He hires Detective Danny to solve the mystery. Mysteries is a secret. Okay, secret puzzle you can say. So Detective Danny along with his expert team solve the problem. So he has already solved the problem, why his fishes are getting missing. So read this section to see what Detective Danny tells the owner after solving the mystery. Sir, we have solved your case. Detective Danny said that yes, I have solved your case. That's great. Danny, where is my fish? We said, where is it? So everything you want to know about your fish is written in this message. So I have written this in your message. Now what if I don't pay you the fees? So he said, what will happen if I will not pay the fees? So I knew you would say that. So hence I coded this message. So said that this is not in a simple language. It is coded message. Okay, so oh, I was just joking. Here's your fee. Now decode the message. So can you decode the message? So now he has told him to decode the message. So this is the message that is given to him in numbers. Okay, so obviously you cannot understand what is written. So now the clues are here. Each number stands for a letter in English. So all the numbers stands for the letter in English. This message has some hints. So some hints are given. As you can see, these hints are given. 50 stands for B, 44E, 48C, 52A, 12U, 16S, 44E, and here also 52A, 26N, 46T. So you have to find out the letter representing by each number. So what we are going to do is we are going to write alphabets. We are going to write alphabets here A, B, C, D, 52, B 50, C 48. So what is happening when we have put this? We have got 52 A, we have got B here 50, so I have placed 50. C also we have got as 48, so we have written 48. D also D here we have got 46, so we have written 46 here. E also we have got 44, so we have written 44. Okay, then we have N here. N value is given, so that's why we have written N value 26. Then we have U value given 12, so we have written 12 in the U value. As you can see, this is we are subtracting 2. When we are going further, we are subtracting 2. 52 minus 2 is 50, 50 minus 2 is 48, 48 minus 2 is 46, 46 minus 2 will be 44, 44 minus 2 is 42. So 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, like this I have given the numbering to every alphabet by subtracting 2. Okay, so now we have to use till 2 we are getting the codes. Okay, till 2 we are having the numbers, so we have got all the alphabet till 2. So now I am going to place the alphabets according to the numbers. So 14, according to 14 we have 14 number we have to find out. So for 14 we have T, so that's why we have placed T. Now for 38 we have H, so we have placed H here. Okay, then for E we are having 44, so we have placed 44 here. Then for 42 we have F, 42 we have F, so we have written F. For 36 we have I, 36 we have written I, so we have written I. 16 we have written S, so we have written S. So for 38 we have written H, 38 we have written H. Okay, for 44 we have written E, so we have written E here. Okay, for then we are having 16 we are having S, so we have written S. Then 8 we have written W, for 8 we have written W. Okay, for 44 again we have written E, 44 E. Okay, for 26 we according to the 26 we have N, so N. For 14 we have written T, so we have written T here. Now M we have written M, 28. M जो है 28 होगा, so 28 we have written. I we have written S, sorry, 36 written I, so I. Okay, like this you have to fill all the numbers. You have to fill all these things and then you will get the full code. So this is your homework. Whichever lines are left, so you have to do it by yourself and fill this message. Okay students, I hope that this is clear to everyone. There is no confusion. So bye bye, have a good day. Bye bye.